Hello, this is CyberDriver. Today I'm going to talk about worldbizpro.com and determine if it's real or is it another one of those online scams that happens to everybody. So far, they do have founders. They have over 100,000 members as of today's date. And it's mostly like you can be invited. It looks like an invite only since I was invited through Facebook. Priya Palmer the fourth, one of the founders. They do have a YouTube channel that describes what the company is about and if they have honest reviews. Okay, when it says enjoy massive residual income, that means you have multiple streams of income all coming to you. You'll be like advertising on social media websites and you also will make money off like referrals and you can advertise your business. If you're doing like a Amazon affiliate, for example, you can advertise on their website and social media website so you can make both streams of income at the same time. This is 100% guaranteed success. So what they do for you is advertising, marketing, recruiting, sign up, team building, and create business opportunities for every individual and you build your own team. The website so far is 100% free. It'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to start a business, how to gain capital, how to do this, that, and that. You have to pay a membership. It can range from $10 to about a few $100s. It was created in 2015 based on the data I got from Whois, which is a detection website. You can go to my previous video, how to detect scam websites, and I talk about this. So far the information is okay. The name, it was registered under GoDaddy.com. So GoDaddy.com was a website like they sell everything like cars and like people sell their own furniture and stuff like that. It's like you can sell almost anything on GoDaddy.com. They also have a website, how to create a free website to advertise for your business. Guys, it's registered in 2015. It expires in 2021, so about next year, July 26. And they have a lot of domains. They have a .com, .info, and .us and so forth. They operate in the United States, and they also will show you their contact information. If the if you experience abuse on the website, you can contact them. The station in Florida, United States, somewhere. It has been updated since today. And Stuffgate is another hot detection website that detect when specific websites about to expire, and it also tell you like if the company is valuable or not. Since it doesn't have an image, it doesn't show it. It gives it 1 out of 5 because it is up for sale for only about $10. I think that's the net value because I think they're gonna pretty much like prepare to sell the business soon, sell the website since it's been profitable. They just want to make money off it. And they tell you their IP address, the raw data, the domain, and what type of servers they use, DNS record analysis, HTTP. So far, it hasn't been detected as scam and it hasn't been hacked before, so right now it's still 100% legit. It's up to you guys to determine if you want to do it. I haven't done it, I just only checked it so far. So if you hit the sign up list, like join now, you just for first name, last name, email address, credit password, phone number, and it's up. And you also have to enter in the CAPTCHA, which is verify you're human and you're doing this, not a computer. They advertise on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and their own website. They're trying to help you build a business and create what's your target market. That's what's and you recruit people, you earn a certain amount of commissions. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates on my future upcoming videos. And I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.